about to do our Bob Ross painting. We have all our colors out. We have a canvas ready. We have it ready on the TV. So we don't have brushes yet, but it is a work in progress.
It should be.
Okay, Anna.
Just wherever. Just
Hi.
We're watching.
We are watching.
Tiny little circles. Just tiny little circles.
Yeah, just little circles. So, got most of the background gone, and about to go in with a little bit of pink, and go start the clouds here.
Okay.
So.
Crazy. Let's take, we'll use some midnight black, a little Prussian blue. Now, Prussian blue is much darker than phthalo blue. It's strong. Ooh, very strong color. We'll put some Van Dyke brown, a little alizarin crimson in there too. But we're looking for a very dark color. It should look black. Pull it out as flat as you can get it. Go straight down with a knife. And we'll just cut off a little roll of paint. There it is. It's right out of the edge of the knife. Let's go up here. Now I want to make some tiny little mountains up in here that are far away. I don't want these to be very big because we want to create the illusion of distance here.
The illusion of distance.
Using a very firm pressure, just literally push this right into the fabric. And I don't want a lot of mountains today. That's about all we need. With a 2-inch brush, I'm going to grab this and pull it. Just pull it. It does two things. It removes excess paint, and it blends all this together. There we go. And when we're painting mountains, as you know, you always want the top of the mountain to be more distinct than the bottom of the mountain, because at the bottom we have mist, and now we have wonderful pollution.
Perfection, it's abstraction.
Very lightly. There's too much on there. Lightly, it's got to be flat. Yeah. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
I need the fan brush again.
Some more clouds.
I think the fan one would be a nice one. So good. We're just gonna go up right now. So we've put in the mountain, we've put in all these different layers of the skyline, and now we're working on the water down here.
Reflection.
Oh yeah, reflections. Mixing up some little white with a little bit of pink in it, because that's what he did. This is supposed to be for the water.
Okay.
Maybe back in here in our world there lives, well there does now anyway, there lives a happy little evergreen tree. And we just use the corner of the brush, just the corner.
Just the corner of the
down
brush.
the tree,
Okay.
and more and more pressure, so the bristles bend downward much more. Look at that. Got a nice way to make a happy little evergreen. Let's give him a friend. You know me. I think everybody should have a friend. Put some general shapes. We're not looking for detail. Not looking for details.
Oh man, that's how he does this.
Tip. And brush goes down. Tip.
Oh man.
Nice.
Start seeing it more and more.
Looks good. Yeah.
The word to which brush.
Weird, isn't it? I don't know how to do that. Just general shapes here as well.
Now you need your island.
There's the island.
Good. Perfect. We're getting the big brush out.
So we put nice little trunks in the trees there, gave it some color, and added a little bit of land down here. And that's the sage right. I think we're gonna put in some big trees now.
Okay.
You with a knife. Look how sharp this brush is. There you can see. Very sharp.
Very sharp.
Okay, let's go up here. Now then, maybe in our world there's a big evergreen tree. Right there. Just touch the canvas. Now we use just the corner. Just the corner of the brush. Just go back and forth.
You put that tree up really high.
And begin laying in all of these beautiful little limbs and stuff that live here on this tree. There. Okay. Tell you what. We'll have another one. You knew that, didn't you? You knew I'd have a friend out here. There. 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 Let's just push in some nice leaf and branch shapes. Look at that. But when you use a big brush, you can do this very rapidly. Now, let's go on the other side. We need some over here too. And you can do this with a 1-inch brush if you wanted to. Works just as well. Just as well. This is just a little bit faster.
Friend.
You make it look easy.
I made that look like shit.
Brush.
I think big brush would be a good
I want to
idea.
get a big brush. You need a big brush.
Okay, you're probably right.
And kind of form a, round like bushes and stuff. That what's going to be bushes.
Okay, I think I need some more paint. Oh no, I think we need some more. So we used a number of brushes, but in my defense, Larry kept handing me brushes.
Well, I got to go and clean these things now. But we're not quite done. We have
We're
this
almost
part
done.
here, and we want to do the bushes. Add a color to the bushes. So we're dealing with this paint here with the dark. We're going to do a green, a dark green. Okay. Here's what she's done on the bottom.
Wow, that looks nice on the bottom, honestly. I'm proud of that. I'm really proud of the bottom.
What did you say?
I said I'm really proud of the bottom. I think I did a great job.
Okay. I'll buy that. Here it is.
Voila.
La la la.
That's beautiful.
There's the island out there. Well, there's one thing left, and that's your signature.
Oh yeah. I get to choose what color I want to put it in too.
Here we
Isn't that
go.
fun?
Oh, look at that.
I'm still working on my name. I don't know why this is such a hard part. It's been like 10 minutes.
I like it.